Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum. So in the last tutorial we have created a model, and in this tutorial we are going to collect data and train this model. So for collecting data I am going to make a new py file. So make a file named as data collector. So data collector .py. Now import cb2 and bid equal to cb2 dot video capture, and write out there 0. So I am taking data from my webcam, true, and here keep blank, and frame equal to bid dot read. Now I'm going to resize the frame, so cb2 dot resize and pass out their frame and give the size of 600 by 600, should be fine. Now write out now let's see the image or webcam video. So show and pass out their frame to the window name and give the frame variable. Now if cb2 dot wait key, write out there 1 equal ord of q, then cb2 dot cb2 dot destroy all windows and break. Okay, let's see if our webcam is working or not. So you can see my webcam is working, and you can test with yours too. Let's see if they are working or not. Now this is the full image that is captured by my webcam, but I am in no need of the full image since I am only to detect the smile of the face. So if I crop this part of the image, only this part, then it will do. Okay, so for that reason I am going to crop my image. So let's see cb2 dot rectangle, just place a rectangle out there, frame, and now I am going to give the coordinate of upper xy, then the lower xy of the rectangle. So here x value as 200, then y value as 50 for the first coordinate, and for the second coordinate 500 and 200, oh sorry, 400. Then give the color of the rectangle, so 255 00, and give the width. Now let's see what I am getting. So now we can see I only crop this part of the image and feed this to my neural network to have a prediction. Now so let's take this crop part, so name as crop equal to I am going to take from frame, and here what I am going to do is giving the range of the value. So it's a 3-channel image, and if I say the shape of frame, so frame has a shape of 600 by 600 by 3. So here this 600 represent the y values and this 600 represent the x values of the frame, and here there are three channels for three types of color BGR. So here I am going to take 50 to 400. So you can see here this is the first coordinate. So here I have given x equal to 200 and y equal to 50, and here I have given x equal to 500 and y equal to 400. So the minimum value of y is 50 and the maximum value of y is 400 out there. Now what I'm going to for x what I'm going to do, I am giving the minimum value of x is as 200 and the maximum value of x is 500. So this is the cropped image. So let's see the cropped part. cb2.imshow. Let's give this window name as crop and pass out there the crop variable. So let's see the image now. And here you can see this is my crop part of the image and this is the full image out there. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to feed this to my neural network. So it's time to take data now, since we are done with our camera. Now we just need to save this crop part, and for collecting the data you have to give every source of form of background and your face that can be possible. Okay, and as data I will be feeding to my neural network around 15,000. so it works fine. I have seen previously. Now you can take more than 15,000 images if you want, but 15,000 should be fine for this neural network. Okay, now I want to save this data to a directory. So write out there cb2 dot imwrite and pass out there the directory where you want to keep this data. So in this project file of smiling Dino, you can make a folder named data, and under this data you can make another folder named close. Okay, and again you can make another folder named data slash open. So in the closed folder I am going to keep my images where I am not opening my mouth, and in the open folder I am going to keep all the images where I am opening my mouth. Okay, so first of all let's take some images for closed mouth. So here imwrite, give the directory out there close and give any value out there. So k I, and here give out their percent I or percent d should be fine, and give out there the here make a iteration. So count equal to 0. So I am going to give the name of the image as count dot I slash I underscore count dot jpg. So dot jpg. So this should be the name of my image, and here I am giving count. Okay, now I have to iterate. So count plus equal 1. Now another thing I am going to do here, if let's print count, and if count equal 1000, then I am going to break this loop. So break, and here I'm going to cb2 dot destroy all windows 2. Okay, now fine. So I am going to take data by 1000 in each time. Okay, so what I am going to do for open mouth or in normal phase, I am going to take around 500 data, and for open mouth or smiling mouth I am going to take around 7500 data. So if I take all the data at the same time, so if I give a higher 7500, then it will take some time and it will be some matter of what should I say, annoying. So we should break this and make here 1000 and take 1000 data and change this I to a value another j, k, another any source of name, and here again take another 1000 data and again change this value to j, to k or any other name. Then I am going to take another 1000 data. In this way I am going to take around 7000 or 8000 data, and here again when I am going to take the image of open mouth, then I am going to take the data by 1000. Okay, so here, so imwrite give the directory where you can you want to save the image now, and give the pass the prop. Okay, so this part will go and save in my this directory, in this directory. Okay, so let's see. I will just go for 5 images. So let's see if I, and here I will get another error since under this directory I do not have any folder named data slash close. Okay, so what I am going to do, create a new folder. So give the name as data, and here create a new folder under data, create close. Okay, so here now I am not going to get any sorts of error. So let's see, let's save some data. So there are 5 images you can see out there, 1 2 3 4 5. So in this way you can take data. For 1000 data you will need maybe 1 to 3 minutes, and again for another 1000 you will need another 3 minutes. So you can take all the images of closed data for at a time, and then again under this folder, data folder, make another folder name as make another folder here under this one. Under this one, make another folder name open, and here I am going to save all the images for open mouth or smiling mouth, you can say. And let's see, let's save some images here. Okay, and you can see there are already 5 images there. So when you take the data, you should try in every angle to take the images so that there is variation in your image. Okay, so this is how you can take the data. So this is all. If you like my video or if you want to appreciate my effort, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.